To fix a Nintendo Switch that isn't charging, consider the following potential causes: temporary glitches, power supply issues, or a faulty HDMI cable. To address these problems, start by power cycling the device. Disconnect the power and HDMI cables from the switch. Then hold down the power button for at least 15 seconds. Leave the switch disconnected for about 40 seconds before reconnecting the cables. If this doesn't resolve the issue, check the power supply by ensuring the power adapter is firmly plugged into both the switch and the electrical outlet. Test the outlet by connecting another appliance to rule out any faults. If the problem persists, inspect the HDMI cable for signs of damage or wear by removing it from the switch and TV. And try attaching it to a different device to verify its functionality. If the cable is damaged, replace it with a new one. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a Nintendo Switch that isn't charging.